Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinky, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that DeFi on Bitcoin. Well, Jack Dorsey is saying that Square's new division will make it happen. The second news is all about that PayPal rises weekly crypto purchase limit and removes annual limit. And the third news is all about that in the UK, FCA will spend £11 million to warn people about investing in crypto. Guys, all about these in today's video. Let's do it. And if you want to keep yourself up to date, then definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday. The only thing you have to do, subscribe, bell button, all, and then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Check out the links under the video. I have a free course especially good for beginners, but also for those who are in crypto but would like to know more about how to keep their crypto safe. Then how to start investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. That's the title of the course, and the link is under the video. It's totally free. Check them out. And okay, now let's move on to the market and see how that looks like. So Bitcoin, we have right now almost 3% down, 31,478.64 US dollar. Then we have Ethereum about 4.5% down, 1,870. And then when we're looking at now the winners, we still have like NAM going up 17%, Ravencoin 11%, Tether Hashgraph 7%. What? It's not that strong, the winner side today. When we're looking at the losers, we see TEL minus 18, Torchain minus 14, and here we have Axie Infinity, which going now down 14%, but it was the leader among the winners for a couple of days. Okay, you can see here the weekly increase, but definitely we having now a couple of difficult days now. Think about that this Grayscale GBTC release after half a year. The biggest amount will be on the 18th of June, so basically this weekend. So this could be actually a very interesting thing. And in many cases, this causes actually a price drop. When we're looking at the Bitcoin price, as you can see here, well, we still have a clear downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows, as you can see. But of course, after this one, it can break out upwards. But the big question is, will we again cross, maybe on the weekend, this 30,000 level? We are kind of close to it, because if we do so, then will this last deep protect us, which was at around 28 something, or if not, then easily it can happen that we can go down, because the volume is actually right now very small as well. It's not too bullish, so we can go down. And here I put on a couple of levels. It's very hard to figure out, but look, the levels I have chosen are the ones which were support in the past, roughly speaking, so not exact number, but here roughly around 26,000. Here you can see another where the price were like up and down, going sideways movement at 23. And of course we have just under 20,000 when we actually had the difficulty back in December break this previous record. So where actually it can go down, we'll see how it works even more, but these could be actually some of the support points where, which maybe others also looking at. But yeah, interesting times, because when we're looking at this Wyckoff pattern, if you think about it, many people talked about that this 28 could be the spring, and now it's retesting and going up. Well, this is not really happening. So even if we continue this Wyckoff, if that can happen, then looks like we might looking for another spring, which can be actually lower than this one. So we will see how it will play out. Okay, and now let's move on to the first news. And the first one is all about that DeFi on Bitcoin. And Jack Dorsey is saying that Square is about to make it happen. So let's talk about that. DeFi is definitely getting big, and it's mainly on the Ethereum blockchain. However, now Jack Dorsey is saying that the DeFi on Bitcoin, this is their new mission to do it with Square. So Dorsey made the announcement via Twitter earlier today, and revealed that Square's new division will be building an open developer platform with a sole goal of making it easy to create non-custodial, permissionless, and decentralized services. Our primary focus is Bitcoin. So this is what he pointed out. Here you can see his tweet. I'm not going to read that one actually. So the firm Square's stature working to make easy to use DeFi services on Bitcoin could potentially ramp up adoption and provide greater competition to Ethereum-based DeFi. Definitely, this is the one which actually the major one. The Bitcoin network currently does not have smart contract capability, which makes it difficult to compete with Ethereum-based DeFi and interoperable money Legos. As you know, as the whole DeFi thing as Lego are built on each other looks like. According to data DeFi Llama, Ethereum dominates top 100 DeFi platforms in terms of locked value (TVL), with topping the list with bit more than $9 billion US dollar total value locked in. Binance also provide competition with platforms such as the 8th ranked PancakeSwap, which has a 3.7 billion total value locked in. So we have definitely Ethereum, the one which is leading it, but there are some others, like there's Binance, and it will be interesting if Square can make it happen to make it actually popular on Bitcoin. Along with Square's latest project, another factor that could add the adoption of Bitcoin-based DeFi is the Taproot upgrade slated for mid-November, so in this autumn. The upgrade will reportedly open the door to Bitcoin smart contracts, and this actually can lead the way to maybe help this, as so far we cannot have smart contracts on Bitcoin. Square will be launching also its own Bitcoin hardware wallet to provide assisted custody to make process easier for mainstream users. This is also very interesting. They're now really focusing on, they would like to come up with this hardware wallet as well. When it comes to hardware wallet, you know, we're talking about security, and this is something, the area they have to really improve. If you just think about Twitter, as Jack Dorsey is CEO of Twitter, you know, they had this major hack and all these things. So yes, a bit interesting how to trust them with security and stuff like that. But we'll see how their new mission will develop, how they doing it, because actually it could be great. I'm actually curious about it. Okay, let's move on to the next thing I want to talk about, and this is a news about PayPal. And PayPal is all about raising weekly crypto purchase limit and also removes the annual limit. So let's talk about that. PayPal has actually joined the crypto game back in autumn last year, and it, you know, definitely helped to push up the Bitcoin price, started the new rally. So it's big, massive, because PayPal has many, you know, customers, over 300 million worldwide. And now, of course, bit by bit, they moving into crypto. And now the payments giant PayPal has increased the weekly purchase limit for cryptocurrencies and has removed the annual limit altogether. The company said the change will enable our customers to have more choice and flexibility in purchasing cryptocurrency on our platform. So now we have the weekly limit up 100,000 US dollar, and you know, no limit for the yearly purchase. However, it was before 20,000 instead of 100,000 for a week, and we had an annual limit which was 50,000. So even the annual limit so far was half of that. What's the weekly limit right now? So the minimum crypto purchase is still $1, and the platform currently supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. So this is what we have right now. Definitely a great thing, because as they moving in this direction, it definitely helps crypto to getting more and more mainstream. As I said, they have many, many customers. Okay, next news. And next news is very interesting as well. In the UK, AFC now spending quite a lot of money on a campaign warning people about investing in crypto. We do know that in the UK, they not really, I mean, the authorities, the FCC is not a big fan of crypto right now. Also the banks, not for crypto. And right now we have here an article about it, that UK FCA will spend £11 million to warn people about investing in crypto. So the United Kingdom Financial Conduct Authority, because this is what FC stands for, it's now spending about £11 million, which is like 15.2 million US dollar, on a campaign which warns people about how dangerous crypto is. And Nicky Ratty, who is the chief executive of the FCA, stated that the UK regulator is concerned about that increasing adoption of crypto investment among the young people demographic. So they see now that many of them between 18 and 30 are really interested in crypto and want to, spend a lot of money, want to make more money, and they worry about it. And to be honest with you, we could look at it from two sides. One is like, okay, do they just against the whole crypto thing, and then they would like to say, you just don't put your money in because it's dangerous, put it in our banks, this is good, like, that's safe, we keep your money? Or it's just all about the campaign that, okay, do it, but do it wisely, let's educate you. So because from this article, it rather sounds scary about warning people about investing in crypto. Warning is all about that, I warn you, don't put the money there, and something like that. So I agree with education, so people can make wiser decision when they invest in, because they do know how this whole FOMO thing is. When the Bitcoin news, when Bitcoin is reaching new all-time highs, hitting the news, then definitely people are just rushing and buying crypto, not even thinking about the strategy, nothing, and then yes, they can hurt themselves. But the warning that you just don't do crypto, that keep it in fiat because that's good. Look at the inflation. Of course it's good. And look at the banks. Yeah, they never do money laundering or something like that. Yeah, that's good. Then I'm not really agree with this. So we see which way this is developing. UK in many cases are not that crypto friendly environment at the moment, at least. Guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you like this content, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, if you would like to get this daily content on weekdays about cryptocurrency and blockchain news, because I really would like to keep you up to date. The goal of Blockchain Bloom is that really always what's happening on the market, and therefore you can act and go in the right direction and also learn about new things. All about education. So this, I think, very important, this education, not warning, but, do everything wisely. This is actually a key thing. Okay, and now weekend is coming. So obviously, I wish you a great weekend. And of course, Monday, I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Have a good one. Bye-bye.